Hi, I'm Leigh George, and I'm CEO of Freedom, an innovation-focused marketing and branding agency. And today we're going to talk about 3 tips that you can use to build an incredible influencer program. At the end of this video, you'll learn how to engage your customers so that they become brand advocates, identify the right influencers to partner with, and build programs that drive engagement and advocacy to get the results that you want. So the first thing we're going to talk about is why you need to be moving away from the paid earned own model of marketing. So that's a model that's very transaction-based. It's also a model that is really built from the brand's perspective. If you think about how we buy things, we don't buy because we've seen some media that a brand has put out. We buy things because people we trust have recommended them to us. And so think about replacing that model with one that's more customer-centric, more people-focused, that's more human, where you can really build a program around different levels of engagement with your brand. So at the bottom, you would have your kind of casual fans that might be on social media. The next level would be more passionate fans who may have some influence. And then at the top, it's really your most loyal fans who have the most influence, and build a marketing program with campaigns specific to each kind of segment of that pyramid. In addition to having custom programs for customers, another way to create a really powerful influencer program is to actually partner with influencers. And what you want to do there is move away from this notion of influence as popularity and think of influence more in a contextual way of people who have expertise in a particular area for a particular community. And when you're looking for influencers to partner with, you want to look at, first, consider your goals and who you're trying to reach, and then look at the influencers and look at their content they create, the type of audience they have, and see where the points of intersection are. Because what you want to do is you really want to collaborate with them. You don't want to treat your brand as though you're kind of dropping them off with the influencer and saying, hey, do whatever you want and leave. You really want this to be a collaboration because your brand is your most important asset. So you really want to find the intersection between your brand story and the story that the influencer tells. In creating programs for your customers, you really want to think about the level of influence and passion they have for the brand and create custom programs that map to that. So for example, for your most casual fans, it may be kind of a large-scale event that everyone's invited to that you promote on social media. Once you get to your passionate fans that have influence, you want to think in terms of a more exclusive event that's smaller, that's invitation only. And then finally, for your most loyal and highest influence fans, something that's super exclusive. And in all cases, you want to make it memorable, you want to make it special, and most importantly, you want to make it shareable. Because you want your customers to create content for you that they'll share with their networks and encourage excitement around your brand. So to summarize, the 3 things you need to do to create really powerful influencer programs that get results are to engage your customers with special experiences that will help you build brand advocacy, pick the right influencers to partner with, those that match your brand values and your brand story, and then finally create custom programs that kind of map to the level of brand engagement that each tier of your customers have. And the more influential, the more passionate your customer, the more exclusive the event should be. Thank you. My name is Leigh George again, and I'm from Freedom.